Welcome back to Stack Pro Solutions, and today we shall be checking on how to create a login page using the HTML programming language. And before we get there, I would like to show you some of the sites whereby you can learn HTML on your own. You can learn HTML on your own. In fact, HTML is an easy language to learn, so I'll be taking you through some of the sites whereby you can just learn HTML. You don't need to be taught. It does not need a lot to start learning HTML. Now we have the first site, which is the Java T-Point. You just open your browser. You can open either the Chrome, the Opera Mini, any browser of your choice, and then you search the Java T-Point, and it will direct you to the site. The next site is tutorialspoint. So you just open your browser again, then you search tutorialspoint.com. It will direct you directly to the tutorialspoint. Then under the tutorialspoint, you choose the HTML programming language, and then you start learning the HTML. Then we have the next site, which is the W3 Schools. Of course, W3 Schools, we have so many programming languages there. You can learn programming language on your own. Now let's go to the today's topic. And before I continue, kindly, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure subscribe and you share these videos to many friends as possible. Now let's go directly to our today's video, which is how to create a login page using the HTML programming language. I'm sure some of you have visited some sites whereby you are told to log in using your details, using your name, using your password, using your username. For example, we have when trying to log in into Facebook, and we have the Instagram. So many sites will require you to enter your details, and you may wonder how those sites are created. So I'm going to take you through the steps. Now the first step, with me I have a code. Now if you need this code, maybe you can contact me. I'll be leaving some of my contact details in the comment section. You can contact me. I'll share you the codes for free. Now let's check. After you have the code, that's after you have the full code. This is how we do it. You click on save, then you click on save as. Of course, this one will be displayed. You can choose to save using any name. In my case, I'll use Steve 2021, Steve 2021.html. This is very important. Again, make sure you save your file extension as .html. Remember, we are using the HTML programming language. Now the next step will be on the save as site. You click on save as site, then you click on all files. Then of course you choose the location in which you would like to save your document. That's the one which you run. Now in my case, I'll be saving it on the desktop. Then I click save. That's how we do it. That's how programming is very easy. Now on the desktop, we'll be checking on the Steve 2021, the file. Here it is. You can either double click or you right click, and then maybe you run as an administrator. You can see by default it will be opened using the Google Chrome. Remember, Google Chrome is a browser which can be used for website, to connect to the website. Now you just double click, and this is what happens. We have I created my code to be the student login form. Here we have the username. You can enter your username. Yeah, you can enter the username. Let's say like here we have, you can decide to choose your email. You can enter your email there. Then here in the password section, you just enter your password. Just enter any password. You can see by default the password will be encrypted. That's why you are just seeing the dots. Then after that you can we have some other sections. Yeah, that's why I've told you, if you need the code, just contact me. I'll be offering the code. We have the section that's the cancel, the forgot password, and the login section. Now you can choose any, and by so doing you'll be prompted to log in. That's how easily we create a login form. That's how we easily create a login form using the HTML programming language. Yeah, now guys, I'll be posting more videos concerning the HTML programming language. If you're interested in learning the programming, we shall work together on this. And I'll also check on some other languages, that the PHP, the CSS, the JavaScript. We have a lot to admire in programming. So guys, stay tuned and just share my videos as widely as you can, and support my YouTube channel, the Tech Pro Solutions.